say nursing is a calling, but I only heard it because so many voices around me reminded me to keep going. He is from Makinabang, Baliwag, Bulacan. He is accompanied by Mrs. Maria Nerissa C. Del Rosario and Mr. Rainier T. Del Rosario. Justin G. De La Cruz. My dream is mine to chase, not because it's easy, but because it's mine. With every step I rise, with every breath I live, I move forward no matter what. He is from Concepcion, San Simon, Pampanga. He is accompanied by Mr. Ramil De La Cruz and Mrs. Cheryl G. De La Cruz. William Cedric D. or C. Dimla. Our greatest glory is not even in falling, but rising in every time we fall. He is from Libis, Poblacion, Bulacan. He is accompanied by Mr. Surnan